Welcome to MSM Unify. In this video, we are going to guide you on how to use MSM Unify by giving you an example. If you're new to Unify, you can register as an agent or an institution by clicking on this button. Then you can enter your username and password, and then click on Login. Once you click on Login, you will be directed to the dashboard. Here, you'll be able to find the list of applications that you have in your account and whether the application is approved or rejected. You can find the numbers here. On the left-hand side, you will find a list of tabs. Now, in order to submit an application, we will click on the application. You can do this by clicking on the Operation tab and then Student. It will take you to the green button which says Add New Student Profile. Click on it. Here, we need to fill the details of the student as per their passport. So I'm going to fill in the details here. After filling the details, click on Save and Continue. After saving it, it will take you to the next page, where you'll have to fill the residential address as per the student's passport. As for the billing address, if the information is the same as the residential address, then you can check the box next to Same as Above. And then click on Save and Continue, and then click on the Save button. It will show here that the student has been added successfully. Now, under Operations, click on Applications. On the upper right-hand side of the Applications page, there is a green button labeled New Application. Click on this. Now write the name of the student in the search box. The student's name will appear in the box. Click Select to apply. This will take you to the page where you can add or edit details about a student. Under Program Information, fill in the requested information, namely the institution, program, intake, student presence, and mode. You can do so by selecting the correct or appropriate details from the drop-down menu launched when you click on each item. For example, click on Institution. This will launch a drop-down menu of partner institutions. Select the correct institution. Do the same for the next items and select the correct information. Once done, scroll down and you can see the details regarding application fee, tuition fee, and cost of living. Click on Save and Continue. This will take you to the next tab, which is Personal Information. Check if any detail is missing. Fill it out accordingly, and click on Save and Continue. Make sure to check the residential address as well. Click on Save and Continue. This will then take you to the Person Assigned tab. Click on the drop-down menu. Select the person assigned, and click on Save and Continue. This takes you to the next tab, which is Education Information. Here, you need to fill in the highest education attained by the student, the country of education, grading scheme, and grade average or percentage the student has scored. Click on Add More to add more information about the student's education. Once done, click on Save and Continue. This will then take you to the Test Scores tab. Here, you can add information on whether the student has completed the IELTS examination. To do this, click on the drop-down and select the date the student has completed the IELTS examination, and then the scores they received for listening, reading, writing, speaking, and overall score. Click on Confirm. This will give you confirmation that the application has been completed. At this point of the process, we are yet to submit the application to MSM Unify. This page shows us the application details, namely program, intake, and institution as we've provided in the previous step. The application fee will be marked as pending and shall be updated by MSM once the payment is done. Under Documents, a pending status means that there are documents that you still need to upload. If so, please go ahead and upload the documents by clicking on the Upload button. upload the requested documents accordingly. After uploading the necessary documents, please ensure that you have filled in all information and verify all the details provided. Once done, you can now go ahead and submit the application. You will receive a pop-up message reminding you to make sure all of the information you've provided is correct and verified. If everything is in order, click Yes. The previous video showed us how to create and complete an application. Once done, you will see that a reference number for the application has been created. In this video, you will learn how to enter your credit card information before submitting the application. Under the Operations tab, click on Applications. On the Applications page, click on the particular application you want to update with your credit card information. This will take you to the Application Details page. Scroll down to the tabs and click on Credit Card. Here, you can enter your credit card details. Enter all the required information. Once you're sure that everything is in order, go through all the other tabs once more and verify all the details you have provided and if the documents you have uploaded are here or not. Once everything is in order, you may now go ahead and submit the application. This is how you submit the application. If you want to verify that the application has been submitted or not, then go to the Operations tab. Click on Applications. Here, you will find the application that you have just submitted. This is how the application is submitted. Hope this video was helpful for you. In case you have any questions, I would request you to kindly send an email to support@msmunify.com. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.